Okay, first off, we want to install this plate here. Some kind of Mickey Mouse deal here. No one had a junction box here, so there should be a junction box here. I'll probably take this off. But anyways, for what we got right now, we're working on, I guess there's just a stud bag here. So we're gonna mount the plate here in the wall. Real quick. I want to make sure that this is level, so we're going to level it off before I screw this one all the way in. But the top one's pretty tight, and then we'll just get this one in. I want a little bit of room there, so just take your level and you're going to put it across the top of those. And then make sure we're good. That's about perfect right there. So I can just kind of give that a little bit more of a, screw that in there. And that looks pretty good right there. Not too bad. So it needs to go just a hair, so I'll just give it a little tap. That's about as good as it's going to get right there. Okay. So I got a ground wire here. And I got my ground, the green right there. I'm just going to go ahead and loosen that up so we can get our ground wire in there. Look at that other one. Okay. So now that that is on there, we take our, I'm going to take the ground right here. Dun, dun, dun. Hopefully get it unwound there. There we are, and that's attached to the frame. So basically you're just going to use this to hold up my chandelier while I get this on there. So I just wrap this around there, just like that. And I'm just going to kind of loop it around there. Hopefully. Okay, and I should just be able to screw that in a little bit. Shouldn't go anywhere. Now in the little bag we have our other adapters. We can put those on there, but I'm just going to use these ones that I have. That came with my light here, so obviously we're just going to go black wire on the black one wire here. I like to kind of twist them around there first if possible. Doesn't really want to, but that's okay. Just make sure you hold them so they're not gonna, one's gonna slip down any further. And once you screw them on there, it should, you know, there. You can do it pretty tight too. I'll make sure that's solid. Okay, there's one. And now the next one, same thing. What you don't want is like this one to slip down while you're screwed it on. Basically, it'll only tighten onto the copper there. So you want it to mesh with this other one. And that's why I make sure, like, hey, I'm holding it right there with my fingers right here. And that way it's gonna tighten down onto both of them. Don't want a bad connection. All right, I'm gonna check my power real quick and make sure this works. There we go. Okay, now that we have verified that it's working, we can simply install this. So we can just kind of tuck these wires back there, and this should go on there okay. But I just realized something. Kind of messed up a little bit because our screws are not like this. So if I want to mount it like a sconce, I go like that. But I don't. I want it to be like more of a lighting thing over here. So I'm going to take this and just rotate it so these are pointed downwards. Okay. All right. Just switched it over there a little bit. And now I can put these wires in there, hopefully. Cut it out of the way. Up there, out of the way. get one little screw here in the bottom, and oops, perhaps if I tried my right hand, it'd be a little easier. Perhaps if I got a screwdriver, it'd be easier. There we go. Now we're thinking smarter, not harder. All right, I'm just gonna get that one in about 50%. Okay, that's fine. And then carefully climb up here. Get my screw in there. And I'm just going to ever so gently. There we go. Tighten that one down. Just like that. All right. I wonder why. Out there a little bit. Go ahead and tighten that down. And okay, see how it works there. Simple and elegant. Looks pretty nice. Actually puts out quite a bit of light. I kind of like the little crystal look there. Might have to mess with this a little bit because I'm not happy with it. I think because I don't have a junction box, it's not perfectly straight there, so that's going to mess with me a little bit, so I'm going to fix that. But other than that, I think it looks pretty good. Puts out a decent amount of light. It's nice and kind of a simple design, and it kind of matches everything else we got going on, and the darker matte finish black things in here. So, all right, my friends, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. We'll see you next time.